Hi 8th class students. Yesterday in the last class we discussed construction of one quadrilateral. This is the construction of the second problem in the exercise. So first problem try to do yourself, that is 45 degrees only, but it is 75 degrees. That's why I am saying to you, construct a quadrilateral BEST with BE 2.9 centimeters, ES 9.2 centimeters, ST 2.7 centimeters, BT 3.4 centimeters, angle B 75 degrees. 75 degrees కి అందరికీ అనుభవం ఉండకపోవచ్చు కాబట్టి అందుకని నేను చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు చేస్తే మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్కి వెళ్దామండి. హియర్ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్, angle is at what vertex near? B near. So you can take BE or BT taken as the base. It is better to take BE as base, 2.9. Take BE is equal to 2.9 BE. The rough diagram is, you have to construct with only hand. No, don't use the scale or anything. With the hand only, with pencil you have to draw this rough diagram. Rough చండాలంగా ఉన్న పర్లేదండి, డ్రా చేయండి. 2.9 cm. యాంగిల్ బి హౌ మచ్ డిగ్రీస్? 75 డిగ్రీస్. 75 డిగ్రీస్ అంటే ఎట్లా ఉంటుందమ్మా? ఇలా ఉంటే 90 డిగ్రీస్, కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ యాంగిల్ బి 75 డిగ్రీస్. వర్క్ అనుకోండి, చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ బీటీ హౌ మచ్? 3.4. with BR center and with 3.4 centimeters radius, cut, draw an arc intersecting the previous ray at T. This is 3.4 cm. After that, TS is there. TS is how much? 2.7. T నుంచి 2.7 centimeters radius తోటి ఒక arc డ్రా చేయండి. TS center and with 2.7 centimeters radius, draw an arc. Next, another one is also there. ES 9.2. ES is 9.2. Here onwards 9.2. You need to cut this one. Intersecting point is S. Join ES and TS. TS is how much? ES 9.2, ST 2.7. This is BEST quadrilateral, rough quadrilateral. ఇలా వస్తుంది అనుకుందాం. సరే, ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ డయాగ్రామ్కి వెళ్దామండి. BE ఎంత అంటే 2.9 centimeters. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టుక్ BE 2.9. Here to this one is 2.9. This is BE. 2.9 centimeters. Now, B near we need to keep 75 degrees. How like 75 degrees will obtain to us? One time see. So, take some radius and B as center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. Here too, this point to first cutting is 60 degrees, second arc is 120 degrees. This one is 60, this one is 120. Again we need to draw the perpendicular bisector of this 120 degrees. How like? This point onwards, draw an arc. Here onwards same radius, cut this arc. This one is how much degrees, children? 90 degrees. But we need how much degrees actually in the problem? 75 only. This is 60, this one is 90. The angular bisector of 60 and 90 becomes 75 degrees. How like we have to draw? Here to some radius. Draw one arc. Here to cut this arc. intersecting point came these like. Now with scale you have to draw 75 degrees. This is the ray BT, 70 degrees, 75 degrees. This is ray BX. Now here onwards, B onwards with 3.4, draw an arc with 3.4 centimeters. Take with the compass taken on the scale, 3.4 centimeters. Radius taken from B onwards, draw one arc. This intersecting point is named as T. So BT is how much? 3.4 centimeters. With T as center. Now ES, this one how much ma? ES is 9.2. From V as center and with 9.2 centimeters radius. 9.2. This is 9.2. E as center, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Now this is how much? Wait. Now T onwards, TS 2.7. It is not possible to construct. A small mistake in the textbook, so that TS is not possible to construct 3.4. You have to take TS as 8.4. Children, all of you change in your textbook. It is not possible to construct. ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం కనుక ఇస్తే మీరేం చేయాలమ్మా? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అని రాయండి. అర్థమవుతుందా? నేను చేంజ్ చేసి చెప్తున్నా. 3.4 కాకుండా 8.4. 8.4 తీసుకునే పని అయితే ఏది బీటీ 8.4 తీసుకుంటే చేద్దామండి. ప్రాబ్లంలో తప్పు ఉంది. 8.4 తీసుకుందాం. 8.4. So with B as center and with 8.4 centimeters radius, draw an arc. This is 8.4 centimeter. Here onwards with 2.7 centimeters. ST is same 2.7. So taken on the scale 2.7. 2.7. 2.7 this is. Here onwards this is T point. With 2.7 cut this another arc. Obtain S will be obtained to us. Join TS and EB. This is 2.7. This is 9.2. BEST is the required quadrilateral, children. So a small mistake is there in the textbook. 3.4 కి అయితే రాదండి. 8.4 తీసుకోండి, అప్పుడు వస్తుంది మీకు. This is 9.2. Enough. Now steps of construction, children. First step of construction. Let us hear properly and write in the classwork. Draw a line segment BE is equal to 2.9 centimeters as the base of quadrilateral. Draw a line segment BE is equal to 2.9 centimeters as the base of quadrilateral. Second step. Draw a ray BX. Draw a ray BX making an angle 75 degrees. Draw a ray BX making an angle 75 degrees. This is the ray. Next, take 8.4 centimeters radius and B as center. Draw an arc intersecting the BX ray at T. This is the third step. Once again, draw an arc intersecting the previous ray BX at T with 8.4 centimeters radius and B as center. Fourth step. Draw another arc with 2.7 centimeters radius and T as center. Draw another arc with 2.7 centimeters radius with T as center. Next, sixth point. Draw one more arc with 9.2 centimeters radius at E as center, intersecting the previous arc at S. Join TS and SE. That is seventh step. BEST is the required quadrilateral. So these like you have to construct the quadrilateral, children. Okay, first problem, second problem, yesterday problem, and I mean last class problem. 3 problems we have to practice. Next class we have to go for the next exercise. In this exercise parallelogram, rectangle ఇచ్చారండి, అవి ఏం చేయొద్దు ఇప్పుడు, ఇవి తర్వాత చేద్దాం. క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్ మొత్తం ఒకసారి చేద్దాం. రేపు వచ్చే క్లాస్లో క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ పార్ట్ 2 చేద్దాం. అంటే SSSA, ఇలా SSSA చేసాము, SSSD చేస్తాం రేపు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో. 4 sides 1 diagonal. Okay children, bye.